the KANO Pixel Kit. So first we filled out the box, then we opened it, then we pieced it together, we read the instructions, then we found out what to do. We pieced it all together, and yeah. So then we turned it on. We figured out how to. We thought it was pressing, but you have to flick it. Then we also played Snake for a little while.
And we just plug the KANO kit into the computer to code, and it's pretty cool. So like first we had to drag the piece, and then we make lights, and it's really cool, I think. And then you can change color as well. And then we start learning how to do animations, and yeah, and we decided to make a song, and this is like really cool, I personally think. And yeah, and this is what it looks like on the light board.